Good afternoon. Happy Friday. So, I'm always working. So, today is CMOS Day. Tomorrow will be Doula Day. You know, I go back and forth. But hey, it's Tanya from CMOS and Tings. I am sorting through my CMOS straight from Grenada, the ocean where I picked it. I didn't pick it this time. They sent it to me. My amazing friend and partner, Bevan, brought it with him. And I still got another bag to go through and yet another bag. But I'm so excited. You're not going to get no CMOS like this from nowhere else. And the fact that I personally know where my stuff comes from. I don't buy it online. I could go straight over there to the CMOS and get it. But this time it's brought to me.